I'm Cynthia Myers-Morrison. I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist in California and in Pennsylvania, and I'm delighted to be here today with you. I'd like to share with you some questions and some ideas about food addiction, sugar addiction, and the newest research that is available. I'm excited to be doing that with you. And I want to start with just a teaser. Evidence for sugar addiction, behavioral and neurochemical effects of intermittent excessive sugar intake. This experimental question is whether or not sugar can be a substance of abuse and lead to a natural form of addiction. Food addiction seems plausible because brain pathways that evolve to respond to natural rewards are also activated by addictive drugs. Sugar is noteworthy as a substance that releases opioids and dopamine, and thus might be expected to have addictive potential. 4 components of addiction are analyzed: binging, withdrawal, craving, and cross-sensitization, each given operational definitions and demonstrated behaviorally with sugar binging as the reinforcer. These behaviors are then related to neurochemical changes in the brain that also occur with addictive drugs. This is research by Nicolavina, Rada, and Hobel in 2008. Now that's one side of the argument. Let us look at another side. This was on animal research, the previous one. The second one, the plausibility of sugar addiction and its role in obesity and eating disorders. Benton says in 2010, there is no support from the human literature for the hypothesis that sucrose may be physically addictive or that addiction to sugar plays a role in eating disorders. What? Here we have 2 very different perspectives on what is and what is not in terms of sugar addiction. Here is an anonymous food addict who lives. My top weight was over 224 pounds at 5'4½". One year I had climbed Mount Whitney and had walked a marathon. I ate a lot of plain sweet potatoes, small ones, at lunch. I tried to lose weight. I lost 25 pounds and hovered at 199 and could lose no more. After a pint of Ben & Jerry's chocolate chip cookie dough ice cream, I slept. I awakened suicidal, not wanting to die, but planning to kill myself. 27 years sober, and I had the job of my dreams and a new car and a new condo. What was wrong? I had to admit it was the food. 7 months later, after abstaining from all grain and sugar, I weighed 124 pounds. I completed another marathon so much more comfortably than the previous one. The difference, I had let go of substances to which I have an allergy. I lived to experience the next 18 years grain and sugar-free. I have no cravings. I have learned to live with joy and contentment with healthy relationships. My sister did not. She was 368 pounds not long before she died of breast cancer that had metastasized to the bone. I am a food addict in recovery. She was not. So here we have 2 different pieces of information from the research and 1 piece of information from an anonymous food addict who lives. Let's go on to talk about the research, the things that we as licensed marriage and family therapists and other health practitioners can do to help our clients and ourselves. Thank you.